Hello everyone, today's menu is hot and sour egg tofu soup. First, cut the lemon. Then chop the coriander into smaller pieces. And slowly cut the egg tofu. When the water boils, add 1 teaspoon of chicken powder and add the minced pork. After that, add the egg tofu. Add some soy sauce. Then 1 teaspoon of sugar if you prefer. Finally, add some fish sauce. After boiling for 5 minutes, add the herbs and chili. Then turn off the stove. Don't forget to squeeze our lemon. Now, our hot and sour soup is ready to serve. Thanks everyone for watching my video. Bye bye.